Today we're welcoming junior cycle teachers here to iForm at UCD. We're doing a teacher 3D printing meetup. The teachers will get to see 3D printing and advanced manufacturing in action, and they will learn a little bit more about how to 3D print in the classroom. The idea is that they will take these skills that they learn back to the classroom to help their students get more involved with advanced manufacturing.
JCT is Junior Cycle for Teachers. Our remit is to provide CPD and educational experiences for teachers around the basis of Junior Cert and the new Junior Cycle reform that has happened since 2015. JCT 4 is my own personal team where we engage with the technologies teachers. We have engineering, wood technology, graphics and applied technology. And for me personally, when I've engaged with CPD myself and also from the point of view of facilitating CPD, I think teachers get the conversations that happen naturally in these sessions. They also get new experiences, and in our case here today, looking at 3D printers, seeing what they look like, seeing how they feel, how they work, and also seeing some troubleshooting issues that they might have experienced when they're back in the classroom. Having that background knowledge and that background basis is invaluable to somebody like us. We have some experience, we've engaged with them ourselves in class, but we might know the exact troubleshooting issues that these teachers might face, and from that point of view, invaluable to have iForm and 3DWIT on our side.
The industry is just running away from the education system, in my opinion. It's just continuing to go and develop. iForm is bridging that gap of where secondary schools can introduce the idea of these 3D printing, the applications for it, so that when they go on to third level education, they have the knowledge, they have some sort of know-how of how to use it, how to apply it, so it's kind of bridging that gap from education to industry.
I think we've got some amazingly creative kids, who work really, really well with their hands, and it would open up a whole, I suppose, avenue for them to explore some of the designs and the creations that they make that they're currently not able to do with traditional tools. It might also allow them to explore how they could integrate their engineering into other subjects, so whether it's graphics, whether it's art, whether it's biology, even creating, cell structures and stuff like that for self-learning techniques, or even for display purposes, CBAs, etc.
Careers in advanced manufacturing have changed a lot and are changing a lot. There's huge demand for young people to go into these careers, and it's just to show them a little bit of what advanced manufacturing careers look like in action.
I would definitely like to see diversity in engineering. Personally, for me, I actually came from a chemistry background, and now I'm in the engineering field. Sharing my research to teachers who probably doesn't know about additive manufacturing is very enjoyable. Open them about a different side of manufacturing. It's just not in one sector, it's everywhere. It could be in the biomedical sector or in the aerospace. It's a big sector to go into.